were down at a bar or a bus stop, I have the right to kill you right now because you're trying to take me over. Don't get stupid with me.
We're not going to get stupid.
You said we were walking out of here, now you're bringing up assault and everybody's going to get hurt again? All right, don't change up your agreement. I'm going to try to walk with you.
All right.
I love folks. Don't try to harm them. Keep your word. I can keep you safe. All right? Don't worry about safety. I'm not a fucking murderer. All right? Try to harm me. Try to harm you. All right?
Do it.
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Don't make me
Put up! Moving up!
Get your hands up!
Still got the knives in his hand? Still got the knives in his hand.
Still got his knives in his hands.
Stepping up behind you. You moving?
Please don't hurt me.
His hands still armed.
Yep.
Can't move.
Get your hands out.
Get
Drop
your
the
hands
knife.
up.
Green back. Right behind you.
Put your hands out to your side and drop the knife. Hands out to your side.
Beanbag! Beanbag! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Still got the knife in
Negative effect.
You guys want to talk on him? I can get him on him.
Yeah, I don't want that knife in his head.
I'll be hands free.
Alright, he's good. Somebody step on that right hand real hard.
He's got a knife in each hand. Knife in each hand.
Knife in each hand.
Rex, close.
I can get around.
I got left. Good on. I'm gonna switch you.
Alright.
Good?
You got lethal right there?
Yes. I have lethal.
Push it right in.
Follow.
Get that knife. It's further away from you.
I didn't see where the other one went. Where'd the first knife go? Where'd the
The first knife's up there. Okay.
You need another set of cuffs? Yeah, we're good now. We're rolling over, right? Okay. So you guys check that, make sure nobody else is here?
Yep, got it.
I'm with you.
Get on my right. I'm good here.
Here? Yeah, somewhere else.
Here.
Right.